You like Marshall?
Yeah.
What he does?
Hey, Forever, thank you. Well, sometimes, if it's really hot outside, I can use. Woo! Time for adventure. I'm going to ask you some questions about the story. Fred, my dad, wants to find the answer. Let's open book number 1. Hey. Blue book. In the blue book, can you find the meaning of water? Mommy, come see this one.
What this one does, Bear?
This, Mommy.
Yeah, look, you can press the button.
I want this, Mommy.
Which one is that? Show me. Chase, ride, and rescue.
I want taste, Mommy. It's taste.
You don't want the fire truck?
I don't want to fight.
There's...
I want the taste thing. I want this taste. Okay, Mommy?
What does he do? Does he make sound?
I don't know.
And stuff.
It's not blue. It's not
It shoots this.
Yeah.
What else? There's no button. This one is boring.
I want taste to go in this and smell the place. Mommy?
This one is cool, right?
No, I know we don't have the Star Wars one.
Okay, then that's fine. He has R2D2 already. We're kind of trying to.
You like this one?
And then there's a
Yeah.
Chewbacca.
I want one. Okay, Mommy? Okay. Okay, Mommy? I want this and
Why they just have gecko?
I want this, Mommy. I want this, Mommy. I want this, Mommy.
You want to ask if they have Catboy costume? No?
Yeah, I want this.
Okay, let's go see.
Mommy, give me hug. Give me hug, Mommy.
Oh, that's so squishy.
Mommy, give me hug. He said yeah.
They have baby Paw Patrol, guys. Look. Chase. I think they have Marshall too. Who's that? Zuma. They have Rocky. This is Rocky, right? Rocky. They don't have Marshall. Yes, they do. Look on the other side. Look. See Marshall?
Yeah.
Rubble.
I think
That's Rubble. Give me Rubble. There. Do you like those cute babies?
yeah.
Let me see your babies. Wow. Okay, put them in your cart. In your cart. Here. Good job. This one is nice. Malek.
Good dad.
Careful. You look cool in this one, Malek.
Look at the bell. Bell is trying to drive. But server a fly. Now we go on.
You got a radio
What?
on your leg.
Oh. Oops, I jumped. Oh, good. I no. Oh, I want this one. I want this one, mommy. Oh, what's going on?
Malek. Wait, mommy helps you. Toy Story 4.
Yeah, Toy Story 4. Yep. I get this in the car, okay, Mommy?
You don't want this one, the light up one? I think your brother's gonna like this one. You found a baby?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's a mouse.
It's so cute. Here. It's so soft.
I could give him in the cart.
In the car.
I get a coin.
It's a little owl. What color is this?
No.
Blue.
Oh. Yeah. Smells like
Smells good? It does?
smells like honey. Bye guys. See you soon.